I think we are at a stage where we are transitioning from being a retail shop into a wide retail-based manufacturing company. Our Peda machines are coming from Japan, or the Bakarwadi machine is coming from Holland. The Motisur Ladu machine is coming from Germany, or the Modak machine is coming from Brazil. So you can see the various geographies that these machines are coming for, and the way they are being modified to suit our product. We do not require 220 machines to make 220 products. That is the most important part that we try to streamline at the manufacturing end. They all revolve around the term which is standardization. The standardization happens at the ingredient level and the raw material that is being purchased, and also the process level where every product has a map process and map parameters. Achieving the different products on the same machines is possible only because there is so much data and so much science being applied into making these kind of products. These laboratories are having a properly trained team of food technologists who are doing the chemical, biological part of analysis of this product. We are just ensuring that with the help of science, we are giving the same taste every day. When we were talking about packaging this product and moving this product beyond our stores and actually at all retail counters across the 5 states we are present in or export, we needed to ensure that the product tastes the same all the time wherever it is tasted. That meant that it had to be made and processed consistently, and the same quality needed to be maintained, which is why a lot of automation was employed. We have a very sophisticated ordering and tracking system that is implemented at the retail level. So we are able to track the movement of every product that we are manufacturing every day at any given time. This helps us get a good idea about what needs to be manufactured on a higher priority, what can be pushed to the next day, so to ensure the freshness of the product, and how and what volumes need to be done for that product. I think the times are changing. There was a time when there was a personal interaction that happened between the customer or the people that we were interacting with all the time. But as the boundaries have gone for the world, people are moving in different directions every day. And that is the most important thing because we are trying to achieve a global presence. And if people know the brand, the recollection for the brand happens at a very fast level. We want to be a global brand known for its quality of making Indian products.